have beef. Stop the internet games. Let's do it for real now. You heard, bro? I want to do it now. I want to go all the way up. I want to do it. Stop hiding. You hiding forever. Ricky.
Good morning. I thought Rocky was here. Rocky. Hi, Rocky. Rocky. There you go.
Taylor, you don't fit under that cabinet. Can you get out? Are you stuck? What's your plan? What's down there? What are you gonna do? She's stuck. Do you need help? Oh.
¿Entendiste o no entendiste? ¡Cállate!
Sorry.
D,
Is he okay?
what are you doing, man?
He's pottying, I think.
Please tell me you're just peeing.
Oh no.
D,
You're not pooping, are you, Bubba?
he's been in there a minute. I think he's pooping. Oh, damn it. Please.
You want to know what he's doing? He's peeing in my sink.
Your cat just stuck his head inside of that pitcher and pushed all of that off the table.
Like that! What the fuck?
Oh my gosh, he's strong. Oh my gosh, you know Pool, he's strong. He's like a dog. He's got the butt jumping out. Oh my god, Boris. He's strong.
你的耳朵啊，不对，这是鼻子。鼻子怎么了？
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Ready? Here we go. P for Papas. It's a Papas party. P for Papas. It's a Papas party.
Get to be in bed. Are you kidding? Where am I supposed to sleep?
Go sleep on the couch.
Come on, no. Chase, move over. No. Why? Why is it always me? Come on, move over. Just move a little bit to the side. Like, oh God, fine.
Why do you have evil ears? You have evil ears and an evil face. Please be nice. Ow! High five?
Harley. What are you doing? Why are you laying like that, you weirdo?
You okay, buddy?
Goose.
Oh, đi chơi bọt kìa nè.
I think it's a little too big for you, bro. Oh, okay.
What? It's not me.
What, Sunday? No, I don't want to play with you right now. No, because I don't want to play with you. No, I said I don't want to play with you right now. Krieger. Why are you so bad?
Go ahead.
God! Ah! Fucking got me good. That's alright, Sunny girl. That fucking killed.
Oh my God.
My claws like stuck in me.
You got caught in 4K.
Zeus. Look at me. Come on, don't be shy. Look at me. Why not? Are you embarrassed? Come on, buddy. Okay. Whoa.
Yeah, but he's not what we're looking for. Okay. Oh, that guy looks strong and cool. Not a guy.
Chicken. What are those paws? Excuse me, I'm talking to you. No. You're going to track it all over the house. No, all over the house, my.
It was interesting.
Coconut, get away from me. Do not do this.
It's so hot. And you get in a bucket like this. Even though it's in this outdoor area. That's how hot it is today.
Hey!
He's fast.
Don't do it. Don't do it. You're gonna regret it.